Hey guys, the doctor here, and I am doing an update video. Yes, I have another channel, as you can see right here. I'm still going to be using the Dr. 1010, but this one is going to be for those Christian Crafters videos. Whenever I get more Christian Crafters videos, I'm going to be putting them on the other server just to, like maybe one or two more, just in case you missed this video. And I'll have links to this channel so that you can see, so that there'll be tags or links and stuff. So anywho, I already have a few more videos ported over here. Let me go to my view manager. As you can see, just like my computer's really slow, something weird happened. Anywho, I'm gonna have two playlists: Faction Wars and then just regular survival. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'll see you on this channel.